Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're on a mission to find the best rolling pin for all your baking adventures. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just getting started, we've got you covered with reviews on wooden, stainless steel, and silicone rolling pins. Stay tuned to find your perfect kitchen companion. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Joseph Adjustable Rolling Pin. For bakers who value precision but may struggle with gauging the width or thickness of their dough, the Joseph Adjustable Rolling Pin is the perfect solution. The barrel features engraved measurements, allowing you to determine the length of your pastry without needing a ruler. Even better, this solid beach rolling pin enables you to roll dough to an exact thickness, ensuring your cookies bake evenly. Simply attach one of the colorful plastic rings to the ends of the pin, and you'll roll the dough to the specified depth. The rings have both US and metric measurements, offering 1/16 inch, 1/6 inch, 1/4 inch, and 3/8 inch options, while the inclusion of a 1/6 inch measurement instead of 1/8 inch was initially puzzling. We found that using a thicker measure and then rolling a bit more without the rings worked just as well. When precision isn't a priority, the rings can be removed, and the pin can be used as a straight dowel or shaker-style rolling pin, similar to the French style but without tapered ends. The barrel is sufficiently long, making it ideal for rolling wide doughs. To maintain the rolling pin's condition, be sure to hand wash it. Number 2. Farberware Classic Wood Rolling Pin. If you're searching for a rolling pin with handles that offers easy storage, the Farberware Classic Wood Pin is a solid option. It performs well, particularly with less sticky dough, and features a hole in one of the handles for convenient hanging. This unique feature makes it one of the more easily storable products available. Initially, we had reservations about the Farberware Classic Wood Pin. Upon unboxing, we noticed a strong chemical odor and a slightly bent rod running through the center of the barrel, attaching to the handles. This led us to believe that it might not be suitable for those needing a highly durable rolling pin. Additionally, while Farberware advertises the pin as 17.5 inches, this measurement includes the handles. The actual barrel length is only 10 inches, making it one of the shorter options we reviewed. Despite these concerns, the smell dissipated after a day, and the pin rolled smoothly, even with a bent rod. Crafted from durable and moisture-resistant hardwood, this classic rolling pin design remains timeless. The comfortable, slightly longer handles provide an easy grip, making rolling out dough a breeze. While it may not be ideal for heavy-duty tasks, the Farberware Classic Wood Pin performs decently well for everyday baking needs. Number 3. Fox Run 10-inch Polished Marble Rolling Pin. A marble rolling pin offers several significant advantages beyond its aesthetic appeal. Unlike wood, a marble pin can be chilled in the fridge or freezer, making it perfect for handling temperature-sensitive laminated doughs like puff pastry or pie crust. Additionally, marble pins are typically heavier than wooden ones, which helps flatten stiff dough with ease. The Fox Run Marble Rolling Pin features a 10-inch marble barrel with 4-inch wooden handles on each end. It also includes a matching wooden base for convenient storage, whether in a cabinet or on open shelving. This thoughtful addition prevents the heavy 5-pound pin from rolling off the shelf and potentially causing injury. During initial testing, we found the handles quite tight, making the pin seem immobile. With use, the pin began to spin, although it remained somewhat stiff, complicating the rolling process. Over time, it may loosen further, but it can also be used as a dowel-style pin by ignoring the handles altogether. If you can overlook the initial stiffness, the weight, and the price, this marble rolling pin is a valuable addition to your baking toolkit. Pros: keeps dough cold while rolling, powers through thick and heavy dough, includes a base/stand, durability and ease to clean. Cons: much heavier than other rolling pins. Number 4. Ultra Cuisine Professional French Rolling Pin. The Ultra Cuisine Professional French Pin stood out as the best overall product in our tests. Its simple shape and unique stainless steel material make it highly effective and versatile, compact and easy to store in any kitchen drawer. It is neither excessively long nor thick, and it's super easy to clean. You can even put it in the dishwasher, which isn't possible with wooden pins. The slight taper on either side of the pin enhances maneuverability, and the stainless steel surface prevents dough from sticking, especially after chilling in the freezer or fridge. While the Ultra Cuisine Professional French Pin might not have the traditional, homey aesthetic of a wooden rolling pin, its sleek stainless steel design offers unmatched functionality. The tapered design makes it easier to handle than rolling pins with handles, providing excellent control and comfort while baking. This design also allows you to gauge the amount of pressure needed and sense the dough's thickness. The smooth surface ensures perfectly rolled dough every time, making this pin an indispensable tool in any baker's kitchen. Number 5. OXO Good Grips Non-Stick Rolling Pin. The OXO rolling pin features an American-style design with built-in handles, making it comfortable and easy to maneuver. The raised handles keep your hands elevated, away from the dough and off the kitchen counter. Its non-stick coating ensures smooth rotation without sticking or tearing your dough. For added convenience, you can chill it in the freezer before use, ideal for keeping pastry dough cool. This rolling pin is lightweight, durable, and sturdy. At nearly 21 inches wide, it's large enough for substantial baking tasks, though it might be too big to fit in a kitchen drawer. Its larger diameter compared to other models may feel awkward or inefficient to some users. And while the lightweight design is convenient, it may lack the crushing power needed for tougher tasks. Despite these considerations, the OXO rolling pin requires minimal care and maintenance. Made from metal and plastic, it is easy to clean and less prone to damage than wooden pins, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. Pros: good for working with cold dough, dishwasher safe, easy to grip handles. Cons: large diameter may be inefficient for some uses.